Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to verify downloaded file in Selenium Java. So to practice you can visit autoprac.com/selenium/download.html. Here if you will click on download file button, it will download file sample2.csv. So declare your test method, visit to the URL, and after visiting find the element, the download button, and click on it. So the selector is #download. First let's verify if we are able to download the file. Refresh the downloads folder. You can see, so I am downloading file inside downloads folder. To change the directory of downloaded folder for Chrome and Firefox browser, you can watch our previous video. Now declare your is file downloaded method to verify the downloaded file. So it will accept expected file name, which is sample, and extension CSV, and time in milliseconds. Basically you have to wait for file to download, so give 5000 milliseconds. Create method in your file util. So expected file name, then your file extension and timeout. Now download folder path, string folder name equal to system.getProperty, user.dir plus file separator, and then your folder name, which is downloads. Now declare file array for list of files, basically to iterate files in downloads folder. Then store file name in any string, the current file name. By default consider file is not downloaded, so set flag to false. Next, start time. Start time equal to instant.now.epoch in milliseconds. Epoch in milliseconds is basically the number of milliseconds since the epoch of 9070-0101. So why we are calculating this start time? This is to capture time before looking for files in download directory, because there could be many files in our downloads folder. Last modified time for previous files will always less than this start time. So we can ignore previous downloaded files using this time and comparing the last modified time. Now our wait time, this will be equal to start time plus timeout. The timeout we have given here. Now while loop, instant dot now dot to epoch in millisecond less than wait time. So our loop will execute till current time reaches wait time. So with this it will wait for given milliseconds and keep on looking for a files till the current time reaches wait time. Now get all the files of the downloaded folder, list of files equal to new file, your folder name, this one, dot list files. Now we have to iterate through each file, list of files. Now get the name of current file, file dot get name dot to lowercase. Now we have to check for few conditions. First one is file name should contain this expected file name, to lowercase. Second is file name should contain file extension, this one, to lowercase. Third is file name should not contain the CR download. CR download is basically for file which are currently downloading, so use note symbol here. And our fourth condition is file dot last modified. It will get the last modified time of current file. This should be greater than start time, the time we captured here. So it will ignore all the previously downloaded file. So this condition will fail for all the previously downloaded files. Now if all four conditions pass, that means you found the expected file, and after that you can set your flag to true and break. So this will break the for loop, and after coming out of for loop you have to break the while loop as well. So if file download is true, then break the while loop as well, because you do not want to waste remaining time given in timeout. And now return file download. Outside the while loop, surround this with assert. For the assertion, assert dot assert true. So our assert will pass if it returns true. So this return file download value is false, that means file is not downloaded. Now execute. So you can refresh. Here you can see new file is downloaded. You can execute again. File is downloading and it is waiting for it. Refresh. Now if you want to delete the file after verifying, just after setting the flag to true that you are able to find file, use file.delete method to delete the downloaded file. And in case you want to clean the directory, the complete downloads folder, you can use file utils of apache.commonio.fileutils clean directory, here new file, and then the folder name, add the IO exception. Now if you will execute code, it will clean your downloads directory. This is up to you when you want to clear the directory or if you want to delete the file. Execute the code. File is downloading, and now refresh. Here you can see after refresh directory is empty. So we have cleaned the directory. This code will also be added to ProgramSwitch tutorial, and you can find the link in video description section. Thank you for watching this video.